So guys, I'm here on a Carrier rooftop unit, just doing the fall checkup. I've already checked the heat exchanger. It's a 2009 Carrier rooftop unit, so I know there's no cracks. Right now I'm changing the belt, 849. And it's always a good idea to leave an extra one underneath just in case you come back at midnight or late and you don't have the belt in your truck. You always have the belt in the unit. Another good thing that you would like to do is just rub your hands on the pulley and make sure you don't feel any really sharp ridges. That's usually a sign that you should change the pulley before it gets any worse. So you want to do that on both of them, and then you want to pull it towards you and up and down just to make sure that the bearings aren't starting to fail. Try to do this with one hand. It's kind of difficult. Alright guys, I'm going to set this down for a second. Alright. And if you don't have time or can't make it down to the thermostat to put it in heat mode, what I like to do is put my one jumper on R, which is your hot, and then you take the other end, you put it, I don't know if you can see it, it's the orange wire, it says W1, and you just turn the power back on.